Hello and welcome to Data Sunrise demo of User Behavior Analysis module. This module provides you with a suspicious activity monitoring. You can gather more insights about database activity and detect its behavior anomaly with the User Behavior Analysis module. This is an autonomic neural network based on perceptrons, and no information leaves Data Sunrise instances. The training datasets are stored locally in the home directory of Data Sunrise instance, and like any neural network, firstly, user behavior analysis has to be trained. Step 1. How to train user behavior analysis. For this purpose, Data Sunrise administrators have to set up one or many audit rules to collect events and client sessions with some regular client activity. So we can do that with this task. Please remember that by gathering this information, we have to use and collect only usual user activity. Please know that this checkbox is vital. With this checkbox, you will save events and session trails in Data Sunrise Audit storage. I use this Query Types tab to save all query types in Data Sunrise and save the rule. On the next step, I will demonstrate how you can organize usual user activity with a demo application. This demo application uses PostgreSQL tables and connects to Postgres instance through Data Sunrise proxy port. So I generate some user activity, putting some actions here, editing data, Now we can check our audit rule. We see here that it triggered several times, and we have some records in our transactional trails. These events are generated by our audit rule. Again, please bear in mind that in transactional trails there should be only whitelisted activity of your users and applications. Now we can go to the configuration, periodic task, and create there a new user behavior task. This task will run on my local server, and it will use this custom period to train perceptron network with the positive pattern of events. This way I set strictly usual user activity. Also, I can set up the frequency of this task to analyze my user activity. And I can set the retention period of all results and save it. To demonstrate how our user behavior analysis module works, I started dbeaver Community Edition and accessed some tables by using exactly the same username as my web application. And I accessed exactly the same tables, like customers. Let's run our user behavior analysis task to detect abnormal user activity. Okay, and the Data Sunrise user behavior analysis data includes the following criteria: operations and operation types, queries and query types, database objects affected, session information including user database login, IP addresses, and host names. So now we can see that Data Sunrise user behavior analysis detected some unsuspected activity by using neural network pattern. And with Data Sunrise version 6, database administrators can mark some activity as suspicious or as false alarm. So our dbeaver affected several tables and with its queries. So There is a nice user behavior analysis detected this activity without any extra audit rule or learning rules. Thank you.